In today's video, I will teach you how to change eye color in Photopea. Let's get started. First, launch Photopea in your browser. Then go to File, then Open, and select the image where you'd like to change the eye color. Now use the Zoom tool, or simply press Z on your keyboard, or press Ctrl+ or Command+ to zoom in on the eyes. This will help you work with greater precision. Now we're going to select the eyes. Choose the lasso tool from the toolbar. And you can also use the polygonal lasso tool for straight edges or the magnetic lasso tool for curved selections. Now carefully draw around the iris of the eye, ensuring not to include the white part of the eye. Now hold down the Shift key and select the other eye if necessary. Now we're going to create a hue and saturation adjustment layer. With the eye selected, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Hue and Saturation. This will apply the color change only to the selected area. In the Hue and Saturation panel, check the Colorize box. Adjust the Hue slider to pick the color you want for the eyes. Then play around with the saturation and lightness sliders to achieve the right intensity and brightness. Now we're going to refine the edges. Make sure the eye color transition looks smooth and natural. So go to the Layer Mask, then select the Brush tool, then set it to a soft round brush and make sure your foreground color is black. Then paint around the edges of the selection in the Layer Mask to blend the new eye color naturally with the rest of the eye. An optional step is adjusting the blending mode. If you want the eye color to blend more naturally with the original photo, simply go to the Layers panel and change the blending mode of the Hue and Saturation layer to Overlay, Soft Light, or Color. Each mode will create a different effect, so experiment to see which one looks best. You can also reduce the opacity of the Hue and Saturation layer to make the color change more subtle. If needed, double-click on the Hue and Saturation adjustment layer to fine-tune the color by readjusting the sliders. You can also use the Brush tool on the Layer Mask to refine any areas where the color might have bled outside the iris. And once you're satisfied with the eye color change, simply go to File, Export As, and select the format that you want to save the image in. Then click Save, and your image with the new eye color is ready. And that's it, you've successfully changed the eye color in Photopea, creating a natural and seamless effect. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.